guys is pumunta kami sa Siesta Key Beach, Sarasota. Kasama ko syempre yung family ko and also my friends. Pero kanya-kanya kami ng drive kasi tila-tila namin yung family namin. And siguro mga at least apat or tatlo. May apat na family nandun. And first time namin dito sa Siesta Key guys. And sabi nila, ito daw ang pinakamagandang beach sa Florida. So, tingnan natin guys kung gaano kaganda.
And it goes like this. We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lie on the backseat. And then one random night when everything changes, you won't reply, we'll go back to strangers.
So hi guys, nag-stop kami dito sa Wendy's guys kasi umihi si Habi. Tapos pinalitan ko rin si Connor. So darating kami sa beach guys, mga around 9:30 or 9:34 kasi stop kami ng stop.
Look at the sand, it's so white, huh? So white!
One, two, three. Ah.
Did you find it, Chad? One, two, three.
Connor, smile. Connor.
Connor.
Ang ano no, ang puti ng sand. Teka lang. Hoy, don't put it in your head. No. Connor, no.
Second mile an hour.
So guys, pauwi na kami guys kasi biglang umulan.
You got my phone there?
Yeah, I got it. Hold on, Connor. Biglang umulan. Ay, nako.